What's the best way to save your Kubernetes cluster, Velero or Cloud Snapshots? Backups evolved from VM snapshots to cloud block storage to full cluster backups. Velero excels at Kubernetes resource backups, namespace level recovery, app portability. Cloud Snapshots excel at fast block storage protection, managed services, low operational overhead. With hybrid and multi-cloud deployments skyrocketing, teams need both. Velero for portability, Snapshots for speed. It's like backing up your laptop. Velero is the full system backup. Snapshots are the instant save button. Expect unified DR platforms that blend both worlds automatically. In Kubernetes, the real answer isn't Velero or Snapshots. It's both.